Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you are definitely welcome as well. I'm Precious, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make Brazilian wool fake twist the painless way, as well as answering all the questions you might have regarding this hairstyle. So if you've been here for a while, you will know that I have a couple of tutorials on this hairstyle already. Not a couple actually, just 2 to 3 I think. And in the comment sections of those videos were a couple of questions that I believe I tried my best to reply to. But I guess a lot of us are visual learners, hence the reason for this video. So whether you are here for the first time or you've watched those videos before and you still don't understand how to make this hairstyle, you still don't get it yet, then this is the video for you. And I will advise you stay to the end, okay? So to make your fake twist painless and tension free, you just have to start it as if you're making regular knotless braids, just like I'm doing on your screen, okay? For this size of fake twist, I used a total of 20 strands of wool and I took it in bits of 3, 3, 3, then 10 crossed by 1. Hope you understand what I'm saying. I took 3 strands of wool 3 times. Then the remaining 11 strands, I took one from those 11 strands to cross the 10th strand, because the one strand that I used to cross, that is what I'll be using to twist and drag, if you're already familiar with fake twist. So as you can see on your screen, I tried my best to make sure that I covered a natural hair first before I started twisting and dragging. And if you look closely, I am twisting very tightly. So to answer some of the questions, the frequently asked questions on the comment sections of those videos, please try your best to make sure that you are twisting very tightly. I'm going to give you a weird funny tip. If your hand, meaning the hand that you're using to twist and drag, in fact the hand that you're using to make this hairstyle, especially if you're making a big size like this size, if your hand is not paining you, if you're not feeling the pressure, the tension on your wrist and your the tip of your fingers, then you're doing something wrong. Okay, okay, I know it sounds funny but that should tell you, just put at the back of your mind that I'm not feeling any pressure on my tip, on the tip of my hand. I'm not feeling any pressure in my wrist. Then this thing is not tight. It should be tight. It should be tight like rope twist, tight rope twist. But this one now, you're not twisting equal parts. Okay, that is one tip there. If you follow this tip correctly, your fake twist should come out very beautiful. Okay, okay. So another tip for the newcomers, the people that are new to fake twist in general, is length. A lot of people get it wrong when um rolling out your wool for this Brazilian fake twist, because you can't add for length the way you normally add extension for your braids. No, it's a one-way thing. If you don't get it right the first time, you've gotten it wrong and that's it. Okay, so the tip I always give is, if you're going for a 30 inches length, make sure that you roll the Brazilian wool like 40 inches long, so that after twisting and dragging, it gives you 30 inches and extra space for you to tie and add beads if you want to. Okay, so if you've watched to this extent and you believe that all the tips I'm giving out, they are going to help you, or you've gone and tried it, please come back and leave a comment in the comment section, or kindly tell me if you're going to try them out. Okay, if you like this video so far, you enjoyed the video, take a minute and give this video a thumbs up, drop your comment, drop an evidence that you were here. Please do, so that YouTube will recommend this video to other people who needs it. Okay, I hope this video gets to those people that left a lot of questions on the other 2 tutorials or 3 tutorials that I have dropped on this channel about this fake twist. I just pray to God that they see it and they can clarify whatever questions they have in their minds. Okay? Okay. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Subscribe, put on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I record other videos like this. Okay? Um, don't forget to share as well. Okay? So for those that have been asking me how I did the ends of this hair, I'm going to show you guys. It's not that hard. It's very simple. All you have to do is when you're done dragging and twisting and dragging rather, at the end, at the last drag that you're going to drag, just wrap as I'm wrapping and tie a knot, and that's all. If you're going to be adding beads, make sure that you give a lot of space, meaning you wrap for a bit before you tie a knot, and voila, your fake twist should be giving 10/10. Okay? Okay. So for those asking me how many pieces of Brasilia wood that I use, this is how a pack comes. It comes in 12 pieces. Like it comes like this, and there are 12 pieces inside. So I used, for this particular length, I used this pack and about more than half of the other one because this one is quite long. So this half that you're seeing me hold now, that was what was left after I was done with the hair. So I'm going to show you guys some styles that you can style your fake twist, and that will be all for this video. So see you on the next one. Bye bye.